Hello and welcome back. Looks like today we're going to be working on puzzle 124. Let's start with this box here. Looks like we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 1 here and a 2 here. So this is our 3. That 2 makes this our 1, 2. If we look at this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 7. There's a 7 here. So 5, 7. If we look at this row, looks like we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got a 3 and 6 here, so this is our 2. Don't see any other help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. If we finish out this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this box, looks like we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 3, 5 here, so that means this is our 6. That makes this our 3 and 5, and that 3 makes this our 6. If we look at this row, looks like we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 9, 4 here, so 2, 9, and no help here, 2, 4, 9. If we look at this row, we're missing a 1, 3, and 5. We've got a 1 and 5 here, so this is a 3, a 1 here, so 5, 1. If we look at this column, then we've got 1, 2, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got a 4 and 9 here, so this is our 3. No other help. So 4, 9. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got 1 and 6 here, so 7. 6 here, so 1, 6. If we look at this row, then we're missing a 2 and a 9. I don't see any help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. If we look at this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're missing 8 and 9, and there's no help. 8, 9, 8, 9. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got a 1 and 2 here, so this is our 4. 2 here, so 1, 2. We look at this row, we've got 1, 2, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 9. That means that our 3 has to be here. If we look at this row here, we've got 1, 2, we're missing 3, 6, 8, and 9. Got a 6 here and an 8 here, so 3, 9. Got a 3 and 9 here and a 6 here. So this is our 8. That makes this our 9, 3, 6. And that 9 makes this our 8, 9, 2, 4. That 4 makes this our 9, and that 9 makes this our 2. And that 9 makes this our 4, and this 2 makes this our 9. If we look at this box now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 there, so 7, 8. To finish this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this box, then we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this box, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this column then, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here. So 5, 3, and then for this box we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here. So 1, 2. All right, that is it for today's puzzle. I hope you're having a really good day. Thank you for joining me again, and come back tomorrow for our next puzzle.